Hey you guys, I'm just continuing with some more stuff. I have a protein pack by Oscar Mayer. It's turkey, Colby Jack, and almonds. This is what it looks like. I really like it. It's a good, when you eat them together, it mixes well. Almond. All done. And then I have Oscar Mayer Deli Fresh slow roasted roast beef. I already ate some of it. It's 7 ounces. I ate so much of it, and then I remembered, oh, I should do a mukbang. Okay, you guys, I'm actually done. I ate the whole thing. That's all for this one. It was really short. Bye.